In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and customize video templates with FlexClip 2026. Let's start by heading to the FlexClip website. On the homepage, choose Create New Video. This opens the editor and gives you a clean workspace to build your project without starting from scratch. Next, choose a template. Click Templates to browse the library and explore categories like social media formats for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, as well as business promos and slideshows. When you find a style that fits your goal, select it and click Customize. Templates give you a solid structure, so you can focus on your message instead of reinventing the layout. Now replace the template media with your own. Click any video or image on the canvas and select Replace. Upload your videos or photos, and the editor will swap them in place, keeping the existing layout and motion. This is the fastest way to personalize a template while preserving its design. Edit the text by clicking any text box. Change the wording to match your message, then adjust the font style, size, and color. Keep your copy short and readable, and maintain strong contrast so viewers can easily see it on mobile screens. Adjust duration and timing in the timeline or storyboard. Drag the edges of clips to change how long each scene stays on screen, and nudge text layers so they appear exactly when the visuals call for them. This is where your story starts to feel polished and intentional. For music, open the music panel, replace the default track or upload your own audio, then set the volume and timing to complement your voiceover or on-screen action. Use gentle fades at the start and end to avoid abrupt cuts, and make sure your audio isn't overpowering the text. Customize colors and branding to match your look. Update theme colors and fonts to align with your brand, and add your logo through the media or overlay options. Consistent branding helps your video feel professional and recognizable. If the template has extra parts you don't need, delete those scenes. To expand your story, click Add Scene and insert a new one that follows the same visual style. Keep the flow clean and consistent as you go. Enhance transitions between scenes with simple fades or slides, and add filters or subtle animations only where they add clarity. Less is more here. Preview your video by clicking play. Check text timing, audio sync, and the overall flow from start to finish. When you're happy, click export. Choose 720p or 1080p, and download or share directly. And that's it. Your customized FlexClip video is ready to go.